Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the Frontier airline support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to the application if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom of the screen, you have the home. You have the book a flight where you can go and book your flight. In the middle, you have your trips, the flight status, and in the bottom right corner, you have the more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Frontier airline support. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, go and click on the top, click on the bottom in the flight status, so go there. And then you can go and scroll down and here you have the contact us. So you have the about us, careers, everything, and you have the contact us on the need help. So then when you go and want to click on contact us, click there, open the link of course. Then you will have the support here. You just need to go and wait for it to load. And here you have the customer service, cancel or delay flights, view options, need help with an existing trip. Everything is here in one place. You just need to go and click there and get to the support center. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.